Are you going to give me a song then? Are you? Are you going to give me a song? Go on, give me a song. That'll be behind you. Come on then, I'll go on. Hey? That's good, you sing. Sing for your breakfast. Come on. Hey? Go on then, sing for me. You can't sing with a full beat, can you? Are you going to sing for your supper? Are you going to give me a song? Are you? Go on then. a song then. Give me a song. Go on, give me a song. Give me a song then. Come on, give me a song. Give me a song and I'll give you some supper. Yeah, I will. Come on then. Come on. It's going to be a cold night. Come on, get some supper. Come on. Come on then. Well, there's plenty for both of you. Come on, get in there. Come on then. Get something to eat. It's going to be a cold night. Yes. Are you going to sing for your supper? Sing for your supper then. Give me a song. Go on, sing for your supper then. Give me a song. That's very nice. Turn up in here to see me. Come on then. Yes, is that nice? Would you like some more? Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Look what's in there. Oh, look at that. Come on. That's it. Is that nice? Move up over here, sure. Go on. Hello. Good morning. Have you come for your breakfast? Have you? Have you come for your breakfast? You want some of this?
No, don't tease him, poor little thing. Alan.
You must pick the big bits, don't you? You must pick the big bits. Let's hang on.